has been a wonderful trip and a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and it has exceeded all my expectations by far, and I am very lucky to say that I have visited Jordan and experienced this culture.
I really enjoy having this hiking with the trip. You knew you were going to get a really good long walk in, so it always felt really good at the end of the day. And there's something about feet on the ground in a country and feeling like you're part of that country.
It gets you into some of the spots that a lot of people don't see. So everything about this trip is unique, and it's not something you're ever going to do or see anywhere else.
We've always enjoyed the Gate Winters, but we've also wanted kind of a little more activity, and to me this is a good combination.
It's been a completely different way of exploring a culture. We're on our feet, we're engaging with the nature, engaging with the people, and it definitely keeps me more aware of what I am actually experiencing in the moment.
The two things on my bucket list were Petra, which I've read about since I was a kid, and I've always pictured in my mind what it would be like, and it was so much more. And the other one is the Dead Sea. I just think it's fabulous to float in the Dead Sea. And in addition, there were things I should have had on my bucket list and I didn't even know about it. And that's been one of the exciting parts of traveling with Gateway.
Gate 1's Jordan walking tour begins in the capital, Amman, a modern city with ancient ruins. From here, we travel south to walk in the diverse biosphere, the Dana Nature Reserve. Next, it's on to the ancient red rock city of Petra, where we climb the unforgettable Monastery Trail. From here, we travel to the sand dunes and striking rock formations of Wadi Rum to stay 2 nights in a desert camp. We'll walk in Albara Canyon, surrounded by moon-like scenery. Next, we travel north to the city of Madaba to see an amazing 6th century mosaic map of the Holy Land. We continue to the lowest point on Earth to float in the Dead Sea. Our final walk together is in Wadi Hamara, through a canyon of dramatic cliffs and palm trees. The area's natural beauty is a fitting end to this spectacular walking tour of Jordan.
Amman is the heart of the country. We got a chance to go to the citadel. That's where the story started. The Ammonites, the Greeks, the Romans, the Byzantines, the Nabateans, every single culture used the same ruins, the same mountains, sort of a recycling, I would say, from one culture to another. You go there and look down from the citadel to the theater, and history rolls in front of your eyes, and that's what prepares you to see Jordan afterwards.
The next day we are traveling to middle of desert inside the Dana Reserve area.
In Dana you will walk in a very peaceful, amazing landscape. You will enjoy it.
My favorite moments was definitely Petra. That's why I wanted to come here.
And my wife and I both were anticipating that iconic moment when you come through that slot canyon called the Seek, and you're suddenly facing what they call the treasury, well over 100 feet tall, and some of the most magnificent stonework in the world.
I still get emotional. I actually started getting teary when I saw it. It was such an emotional place to be.
I've wanted to see it for many years, and to finally make it, I am thoroughly amazed and captivated. It's astonishing.
And being able to see everything else, the entire Rose City, was incredible.
All the tombs and the carvings is just simply amazing, and the colors in the sandstone were just unbelievable.
This archaeological park is enormous. And I think that was the biggest surprise as I walked through the park, that I enjoyed the rest of it just as much as the treasury itself.
We hiked up to the monastery, and it was worth every step to be standing there in front of something that's 2,000 years old, and it was so much bigger than I expected.
Wadi Rum was my favorite place. When we arrived, we went out to the desert, we watched the sunset, and we looked at pictoglyphs that have been there for about 3,000 years, and that's pretty mind-boggling.
The Wadi Rum topography was simply amazing. It's been used for movies, and you really feel like you are on another planet. Each rock formation is taking your breath away.
I always wanted to visit the desert, and this has been an incredible experience for me.
Wadi Rum is amazing. You can experience the Bedouin life there.
We did a sunrise balloon ride, and it was a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Seeing the sun reflected off the desert in the early morning was amazing.
From there, we visit one of the most important and beautiful churches of the Byzantine period, the Church of St. George, with its massive mosaic floor describing the journey of Moses and the Holy Land back in the 6th century AD.
Then we go to the canyon, Wadi Humara, and it'll be a really nice experience. It's very easy. You will love it. I guarantee you.
Wadi Humara, it's a very beautiful place. You will enjoy every second there.
I absolutely love the Dead Sea, and I love to do the mud and to get into the water. The silkiness, the touch of it is like nothing else. And it was just great. It was absolutely as good as I expected it to be.
I have been going on Gate 1 tours since I was 9 or 10 years old, and since then I'm a Gate 1 kid through and through. Gate 1 is welcoming, they take care of everything for you, and it's the most relaxing way to go about exploring a new country.
I love Gate 1 because it takes care of everything.
They're very organized. You're seeing so much in the country that you're visiting.
If you've ever gone out and really tried to price what you do on a tour, you can't get it for what you pay Gate 1. And the hotels and the lodgings are great. The little camp that we're out here, out at Wadi Rum, is just amazing. It's definitely an experience in itself just to stay out here. And you got wonderful food. I mean, you couldn't ask for anything better.
We got to taste zarb, a dish that they bury in the sand. It's rice and lamb and chicken, and it's absolutely fabulous.
Here at the Dead Sea, Gate 1 has allowed us to stay at a pretty swanky joint. Beautiful setting. This is a nice hotel.
I've had 15 trips with Gate 1, and every single tour guide I've ever had has been phenomenal. And they love their job, and it comes across that they love their job.
They always say if you love your job, you never have to work.
Jamal has just been fabulous. I learned so much about the country.
Yara is our hiking guide. He makes sure that everyone is safe, they feel secure, and he pushes us to a healthy amount to make sure that we are getting the most out of our experience.
When you've got somebody like that that's so patient with you, you feel like that you're ready to accomplish anything.
The people on the trip have been wonderful. It created an atmosphere where I've felt welcome to step out of my comfort zone multiple times.
If you really want to get close to nature, to the people, to the culture, walking tours are one of the best ways to connect with the people and places that you visit. But most importantly, it fires the desire to do it again.
Come to Jordan, guys. You will enjoy it.
I will be waiting for you in Jordan.